What's up guys, welcome to the Med Catalyst. I am Arnab, this is here Rahul. We are first year MBBS students at AIIMS Bhubaneswar.
So in this video, we are going to show our room and the daily life before exam. So guys, let's start. Hi guys, this is our room. In this hostel, we got a room 315. We both staying here, and like in front of our room, there is a in the door we wrote this thing is so that like people will remove their shoe and then get into it, because like if people won't remove their shoes. So basically, people have a concept like guys have a hostel and they got a room and they made their room very unclean and all unhygienic. But see our room, we tried our best to keep it clean, but don't know how it's now. But you can see like it's decent actually. And in the first year we got 2 beds and 2 tables and 2 chairs. So let's come with me. So like here, so this is my desk and this is my roommate Arnab's desk. So here we have 3 drawers in the table. And like we are usually keep our book here, like above the table. And I am used to study here, and he is also used to study there. And as you can see, like we put out all the essential things here, so that when we need this, we can get it beforehand. You can also study in the bed. You can, but as you know, if you study in bed, like we really get bored and really like we may feel sleepy. That's why I am used to study in the desk. So like these all are my shirts, and as you can see, this is my ID card here, and these are our aprons. Like we are used to go to the college with wearing this apron, and so you can see the luggage like we all came from different places. So like if we have to keep our things properly, so we keep our things in the luggages. So as you can see, there are box inside the bed, so like we can put our things here also, like our shirts and pants and all, which are not that essential, but we can keep it here. Like as you can see, our gloves, like hair dryer. These are the charts. Like sometimes like seeing is believing. You know now. So like if we see it properly or if we like see it fast, like we'll remember first. So that's why like we keep some charts here, and there are many charts. We have not shown everything here, but we have. So as you can see, I am used to study here, and see there's a nice view.
Alright guys, that was a hell lot of studying and I'm too much hungry now, and I guess so I'll be leaving for snacks in the dining hall. Okay, for the time being.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
We also had fun and a great time making this video. This was an enriching experience. Thanks to the Med Catalyst for giving us this opportunity.
Do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you guys want more videos like this. Until next time, bye.